So yeah, what if you have one between and one within? And we got a design like this. So we got, let's see, we got subjects are nested within B, it looks like, right? Because they're different subjects get different levels of B, but everybody gets every level of A, right? By the way, in the background, you might be able to hear RuPaul's Drag Race because Isabel's watching it. It's a running theme in our house. So yes, how are we going to set up a data set? If we don't have the repeated module, which we don't, we have to set it up like this. Now you can take a look on variable view. I put a variable in there called subjects. And I've been telling you, put the subject number in. This is why. Start doing it this way. Because now we're going to be able to, just like with the repeated measures, we're going to put the subject number in. And then what we're going to do is it's going to allow us to do the analysis. And you can take a look here. For example, we look here, A1, B1, subject 1. There he is, okay, so, or she, or whatever. And we could do the same thing, I don't know, for A2, B2, subject 8. And you can see that's there. Okay, so it's actually fairly straightforward, right? That's all we're trying to do, is just put all the data in. So it's not like, so each record, each line is a data point. It's not an individual. Okay, you do it as an individual if you're doing a repeated measures t-test. And here's another one. Okay, so what do we got there? That's right. So you see that guy? Okay, good enough. But if you had the repeated module, the advanced statistics module, which we don't have, so if you don't have it, you can always try this. Okay, so the data are in there now. We're going to use general linear model and see. If we had more, if we had subscribed to the other thing, we'd have that, the multivariate there to do repeated, but we don't. We have univariate, but don't worry, everything's going to be fine. Bring that up from below. I had one monitor on top of the other there. So there are our factors. So DV is dependent variable. A and B, of course, are fixed factors. Subject is a random factor, right? It's kind of a pseudo factor. It's not really. They aren't really random, but they're closer to being random, the subjects, than they are to being fixed, right? Okay. Then we click on the model and bring that up from the monitor below, which is down there, and we've got to bring that up. There it is. And now we're just going to put our things in, right? So and you have to do this like this. You got to go to custom terms, okay? And you just bring it in, so it's B on its own, so we add it over here. Now, subjects are within B, aren't they? Okay. So subjects within B. I always forget what I'm supposed to do here. And then we add it. And now A, that's easy. And remember what we do next. A by B. So we got A and B and A by B. I always actually think of big brown bear. I don't know why. And now we have to do A by subjects within B, because that's going to be our final error term, right? So let's build that one. So you got to go find the A, right? Let's go over here, and we got A by subjects. Are you confused, Dave? There you go. As you can tell, I actually do the voiceovers later. I don't do this at the same time because I don't. It's easier to do it this way. There we go. For some reason I got confused, but now just go click on subjects, Dave. Come on. You can do it. No, really, it's right. You can't break it, by the way. It won't let you do things that are stupid. By subjects, there, now I figured it out. Within B. Bring it down, Dave. Click the button. There you go. And add that. And now we have everything. We got B, subjects within B, A by subjects within B. It's in Yates order, right? That's how you should do this, because then you're not going to screw this up. We're going to continue. And we're going to hit OK. And it actually appeared on the monitor below. I'm going to pull that up, and you can see here's the analysis. And holy jumping, it worked. So we've got, it says, by the way, it says between subjects effects. They actually aren't. As we know here, A is actually a within subjects effect, right? We're tricking SPSS here into doing this for us. Okay, so this actually works. Pretty amazing, right? And it even tests with the right error terms as long as you say what's fixed and what's random.